Hi guys, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. I have been obsessed with Asif Ali. I think this always happens in my life that I watch one good performance of an actor and then I keep on watching that person's work. Like in the middle, I was obsessed with Roshan Mathew, Darshana, and now it's Asif Ali. So I have spoken about two of his films this week and I just watched the third one, had a shower, and came to make the video. So I watched Thalavan, which is available on Sony Live, and it released this year. Biju Menon is also in the film. The film is directed by Jiz Joy, who generally makes comedy movies, but this time he's made a psychological thriller. The movie had a very good box office and is now streaming for us on Sony Live. But I had a bit of ifs and buts with the film. There are a few things that I liked and there are a few things that I did not like. So let's get into the video. If I have to explain the movie, it is about two police officers of different ranks who become embroiled in a case that gains significant media attention. With the clock ticking to solve the case and their lives at risk, how do they handle the situation is the crux of the story. I do not want to get into what happened in details and who the culprit was because in my previous video you guys did not like it, so I'm not gonna give any spoilers. Now coming to what I thought of the film, let's talk about the things that I really liked. I think the editing was sharp, it was crisp, it was to the point. Generally, when it comes to Malayalam films, they always start with like 1 hour of subplot and character build up and then get into the story, but this was not the case in this film. From the first scene to the last scene, it was to the point. There was no subplot, there was no romance, no drama, no comedy, and no songs disrupting the film, which was really good. It kept you at the edge of your seat, and your entire attention was to know what is happening in the film. So it is definitely well directed and well written. Biju Menon and Asif Ali have done an incredible job. Both of them are phenomenal actors, and in the film also they have performed so well. In a genre crowded with investigative and suspense films, it is hard to create one that keeps the audience guessing. But this movie does just that. In a slow yet captivating manner, the suspense is unraveled layer by layer, keeping you hooked. Until the end of it, when I saw who the culprit was, I did not imagine that it would be him. So that was a really cool thing. That is a way of showing that the film director knew what the audience wants and what would attract the audience. Now, coming to things that I did not like the last 45 minutes that much because the first 1.5 to 2 hours were kind of slow paced in terms of thrill. And in the last 45 minutes, there was so much twist and turns and so much information that by the end of it, I was like, you know what, just tell me what's the end. I'm getting annoyed now. Because every scene had a twist and turn, and it's okay if the entire film is paced like that, but it just becomes too much by the end of it. And when it came to the end also, and when I saw who the culprit was, I did not guess that it would be him, but honestly I wish that the ending was a bit different. It is a bit fictional, obviously it is a fictional film, but there were a bit unrealistic scenes which only happens in movies, but if you watch it like that then it's okay. However, I think that the movie is definitely nice. It's worth your time. You're not going to guess it till the end. But I was not a fan of the last 45 minutes. Let me know what you thought about it. Did you guess who the culprit was? And did you also find the last 45 minutes a bit too overwhelming? Let me know in the comments below and let's discuss the movie. Thank you so much for watching my video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.